Well, I just got done exercising. Just got done playing in the dirt. So there's a second garden bed. It's about 10 feet long. And this bed has a lot more clay in it than the first one. So I'm going to be adding lots of organic material. But yep, so I had fun playing in the dirt, exercising, starting a new bed. This is going to be another spring garden bed. So I'm going to take a lot of this organic material that we have from the trees, all the leaves. I'm going to put a lot of it underneath here so we can start to build some organic matter back into the soil and make some soil a lot more fertile while I'm making compost, and then I'll put the compost on top. So you might be wondering how I put the compost underneath. I was telling you, well, what I do is I dig canals. I did 3 canals where I'm going to be planting. I put a lot of the compost, all the dry material underneath. Then I put the dirt on top of it. I dig a second canal, and I dig a third canal, and that's how you put all the dry material underneath the dirt, so it'll decompose and provide more nice, wet, beautiful organic matter to the soil to decrease the amount of clay. Instead of decreasing the amount of clay, turn it into nice, beautiful soil. Well, got the two new beds planted. Wanted to show you. So here we're gonna have tomatoes and peppers and melons climbing up this wall, and then over here I planted more squash, and I planted eggplant and more peppers to see if any. And it's all old seeds. We're gonna see what happens. I mean, I can't promise we're gonna get anything, but hopefully we get something out of this. And here's the walkway right in the middle. So the garden beds are getting longer and longer.